Okay, now I'm going to show you how to import product reviews into your WooCommerce driven website. So on our WooCommerce site here, I have several products in here, but I want to get product reviews for these products that I've imported into my store. And so one way to do that is to use our reviews import file creator for WooCommerce. So let's go ahead and select two products here. And these are products that already exist, obviously, on my WooCommerce site. I'm going to right click, export, create WooCommerce products review import file. It automatically puts those links in there for those two products. And now I have to go and get the product post ID from my WooCommerce website. So what you want to do first, I want to see which product this is. So you can right click in here and view Aliexpress product in browser. Okay, it's this fish one here. And it's this one here in my, if you go to products, you can see that little image there, and you can also match up the title as well. But when you hover over top, you're going to see right here, it says ID. Grab that ID. So just left click and select that and right click and copy, or obviously you can just memorize the number 1029. And inside of Aliexpress, right here, you want to right click and paste that number. That's the product post ID. Let's do the same for this one. I gotta remember which one it is. Okay, so those little clippy things. There they are. Fishing rod ties. So that is 1069. Okay. Now we can select the maximum number of reviews to extract or search, I guess I should say, search per product. Now, I do want to say that a lot of times when you're getting reviews from Aliexpress, sometimes the reviews will not actually have any content. Some people will just give it a star rating. So obviously you don't want to have those reviews if they don't have any content. So sometimes when you select 20, you may not get 20. You may only get 5 or 10 or 18 or something like that. But I'm going to select 20 just for now. I want to select all positive reviews. So all positive basically means reviews that have 4 stars and 5 stars. And you can select the reviewer country if you'd like. I'm just going to select all countries. Now you can select to include, do not include images in reviews, or you can include images or just only extract reviews with images. So I'm going to do this one here. So I'll get reviews with and without images. In addition, I also want to manually approve and edit each and every review to make sure it looks good and make sure there's no weird characters in there, or maybe a different language is in there. So we've got a little translator thing that can help translate the actual text for you. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click go. And now it's going to ask you a place to save the actual product review. So I'm going to go and save it. And now it's going to bring it up. Now, I can see right away, I don't know what this is all about, but I definitely do not want that as a review image. So what you can do down here, you can select it and you can click this button that says delete selected image, and now that will not be included. Looks like 2 images here are very similar. So I only need one of them. I'm going to do the one without the fingers. So I'm going to delete that one. And now you can come in here and you can look through. And you can see this particular review has a bunch of links in it. Broken links, I should say. So now I got the chance here to actually go in and take it out of there and edit it. Now here's a cool little feature of implement. You'll notice that some of the words there look like they're Russian. And in fact, the reviewer is from Russia. So not all of this has been properly translated by Aliexpress. Aliexpress attempts to translate these for you, but it's not really that great. So one thing you can do is if you double click in this window, it'll bring up this handy little thing here, which shows all the words individually put in these little bubbles. So now you can quickly see each bubble. This one, like right here, for example, is not an English word. So you can double click in there, and then you can go right click and copy and hit translate and right click and paste. And see if it will translate for us. Doesn't seem to be working right now. Let's try that again. Okay, not sure what happened there, but this word translated to that. So now we can go in and we can come in there and we can paste the new word. Not sure what that word is anyway. Sometimes it may not work properly, but I'm not sure why this is not. Oh, there it is, cost. Okay, copy. This is the Google Translator. It just opens up in your default web browser. So you can go through here and quickly do that. Or if you want to look at all of it, that usually comes right up to the whole thing there. Not sure why it's not working inside of Google right now. Seems to be a Google issue right now. In any case, something like this takes quite a bit of work to kind of make it look nice. So I'll just go ahead and hit reject review at the bottom. So I don't want that one. This one looks good. Pictures look good. Accept. This one wasn't translated. Let's try translating this one. And it looks like it did. So let's hit the copy button there. Go back, paste. This too. Let's translate. Copy. Hit paste. Accept. So basically what you do is you can go through and fix each word in here, translate them if you want. I think this one here, I'm not sure what that word is. So let's see if we can translate that one. Translates to barking, okay. It is super barking and cheaper than quality. Yeah, I'm not sure that makes sense, but you get the idea. You probably don't want to do that. Let's just delete that out of there. So accept, reject, accept. So I was just pausing there and accepting and rejecting reviews, but I do want to show you down here. It'll tell you what page reviews you're on and the review 5 of 10. So there's 10 reviews per page, and then found is how many basically I've accepted for this one. So right now we're looking at those little strappy things that strap the poles, fishing poles. So once you get to page 2 of 2 and 10 of 10, you're done. So I don't want that one. And once you're done, it'll show you where you saved it. And now you can see all the reviews in here. Okay, let's go ahead and import those into our Shopify store. Sorry, I meant WooCommerce store. Okay, let's just close down these Google Translates windows and go back over here. And so before you can actually import reviews into your WooCommerce store, you do have to install a free plugin. So the plugin I am talking about is, where is it called there? It's Product Reviews Import Basic, and it's created by, which site here? By Web to Free. It's a free one, and you can import it. I provide you the link right in the software up here. So if you click that link there, it'll take you to the product reviews, import, export for WooCommerce. This is free. You can download and install it. So inside of your plugins, you can just go to add new. And go product reviews, import WooCommerce. It should come up. Trying to find which one it is here. It should be this one right here. Oh, here it is, right here. So install that one. And then once it's installed, you go to WooCommerce, product reviews, import, export right here. And in here, this is where you import your reviews. So click import reviews. choose your file. This is the file here. Upload and import. There, and now we're all done. Now if we go over to our store, and refresh here, we will see we've got reviews for these two products that we just did. So let's go ahead and look at both of them. So now if we scroll down, for example, this one, you will see 16 reviews. You click in there and now you can see all the images the reviewers has put in there, and also the review information. And that's how easy it is to import reviews with images into your WooCommerce site. And of course, you can manually add products in here as well if you'd like, instead of using products you have found within Aliexpress. So you can always just clear this out and come in here and automatically add products in here. For example, if you're on Aliexpress and you find another product you'd like to import, something like this, you just select that link in the address bar, right click and copy in here, right click and paste, and stick in your post ID. Obviously you have to import the product first into your WooCommerce store before you can import the reviews, but after you've done that, then you can go ahead and do it all manually, kind of like this. But that's basically it. That's how you can import reviews into your WooCommerce site by using this tool inside of Aliexpress. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.